Electric vehicles are changing the world. As electrical and electronics engineers, you are at the heart of this shift. To stay ahead, you need specialized skills in EV design, simulations, and analysis. DIYguru, in collaboration with EICT IIT Guwahati, presents the Advanced Nanodegree in EV Engineering, tailored for you. This 6-month program blends theory with hands-on learning. Master EV engineering, battery systems, embedded systems, and powertrain development, skills needed to build the future of electric vehicles. Start with EV engineering essentials, covering architectures, battery systems, and motor technologies, all vital for developing hybrid and electric systems. Explore advanced battery tech and BMS, dive deep into modeling, and learn the latest in powertrain innovations. Master embedded systems for electric vehicles, focusing on microcontrollers, embedded C, and Arduino simulations, skills that today's EV companies demand. Learn MATLAB Simulink for designing and optimizing EV systems, an industry-standard tool for control systems and simulations. Advance further with EV design certification, mastering vehicle dynamics and energy system simulation. Strengthen your skills with ANSYS engineering, mastering structural analysis for robust EV design. Specialize in advanced driver assistance systems using MATLAB and lead the way in vehicle safety and automation. At DIYguru and EICT IIT Guwahati, we believe in hands-on learning. Apply your knowledge in real-world projects and gain industry-relevant experience. The Advanced Nanodegree in EV Engineering is your path to a successful career in electric vehicles. Enroll now and shape the future of electric vehicles with DIYguru.